Hey everybody, welcome back to the DM and Friends. I am DM Angelo, and today I want to talk about one of the hardest things I think for a dungeon master to do, and that's to say no. And not maybe, not we'll see, not I guess, a real no. And and how to do it without becoming a bad guy. So why do DMs struggle with saying no? Most DMs don't want to be confrontational, and you don't want to shut down creativity, you ruin someone's fun, or look like a tyrant. So you hedge, you soften, you let things slide, and that's how games unravel. Authority is not hostility. Let's get this straight. Okay. So, being in charge does not mean being mean. Authority is about consistency, clarity, and protecting the table. It's not about ego. It's not power trips. It's not winning arguments. Players don't need, a friend behind the screen. They need a referee. So no protects the game. Every time you say no, you're protecting something. Tone, pacing, fairness, internal logic. If everything is allowed, nothing has weight. And boundaries, in my opinion, give choices meaning. When should you absolutely say no? You should say no when a player breaks tone on purpose. An action ignores established fiction or lore. So someone is hogging the spotlight. A ruling would undermine the campaign. Uh, or it makes the game worse for others. That's not being strict. That's being responsible for your table. So say no early, not late. The worst time to say no is after you've already allowed it once. That's when players feel cheated. And, so say no early, calmly, and clearly. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. So how to say no without any drama? This is key. You don't need a long speech. You don't need justification paragraphs and a dissertation and all that stuff. Short, firm, neutral. No, that doesn't fit with the tone, or no, that's not how this works, or no, we're not going to do that in this campaign. Um, and then just move on. Don't make a big deal out of it. Silence after that is powerful. I see a lot of this too, and don't apologize for enforcing the game. This is a pretty huge, and I've seen it happen a lot. And if you say no and then apologize, you've undercut yourself, and you don't need you didn't do anything wrong. Uh, you just did your job, and you can be polite, without being apologetic. So, this is another big thing too. No is often better than a bad yes. And that's in a lot of different things, but we're talking about the table. And, a bad yes causes more damage than a clean no, in my opinion. A bad yes, bad yeses, can lead to rules chaos, spotlight imbalance, tone drift, which is big in campaign games, and resentment, and those are the things you don't really want in your game. And, so a clean no, will prevent all of that. So sometimes no is not like that. Here's a trick. No doesn't always mean it's a hard stop. Sometimes it's no, but here's something that you can try, or no, not automatically. You need to roll for it, or no, not now. You're basically trying to redirect and not shutting down play. I've talked about this before, and your confidence sets the tone of the table. Players can smell hesitation, and if you sound unsure, or they'll push. And if you waffle, and kind of hem haw around, they'll negotiate. If you're calm and confident, most players, accept it instantly. I've seen this many times, and just accept and move on. And so confidence is not aggression. It's a characteristic that you should have at the table, is to be confident in what you're doing and what your message is. And if you have to say no, just be confident with it. I talk about trust a lot, and saying no, in my opinion, builds trust long term. It sounds backwards, but it's true. Consistency in boundaries, it makes players, feel safe. They know that the world is stable, and the way it should be, and they know their actions will cause this reaction, or etc. They'll also know that rules matter, and they'll also know that favoritism at your table doesn't exist. That's trust. And you want to definitely, I've talked about this before, but your players, they want to trust you. So this is something that I've seen before, but when no, when you say no about something, someone might leave, and let's be honest. Sometimes saying no means someone won't like it, and may take offense, and sometimes that's just okay. That's okay. Not every table is meant for everybody, and one player who can't handle boundaries, can poison the whole entire game. So your job as a DM is to protect the group, and that's a very, very big thing. Well, as DMs, you want to protect the group, and sometimes you might have to just let a player go and let them walk. All right. Well, my final thought on this, I know this is a touchy subject, and I think it's a reasonable subject to talk about, because sometimes you're going to have to say no, and it might not feel good, but like anything, practice. The first one might feel very uncomfortable, but within reason, you'll get better at it. And saying no is not about control; it's about stewardship in the game. And you're guarding your world, your tone, and you're guarding the fun of the table. And say no when you need to. Say it clean. Say it without guilt. And I promise you're going to have an awesome game. You know, all right, you guys. That's my take on this subject. And if you got a story where telling no went good or bad, or it saved your game, I would love to hear it. Drop it in the comments below. And also, if you guys can, hit that like button over there or wherever. Subscribe, please. Share if you can. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell everyone. And I love it, guys. Thank you so much. Until next time, keep gaming. All right. Bye bye.